behind. Yes, we are bringing a new outlets, which is Tanatan, which was a need and demand in Juhu, wherein we are focusing on all Indian progressive food, which was missing element. And yes, we are bringing that singing talent mode on, because this goes with food, this goes with music, this goes with live band, where we again promoting new talents, which we have been doing successfully with our previous brands, R Adda and Bombay Adda. So yes, Tanatan happens to be a latest newborn rather brand. See, the very concept is we thought of giving a Indian touch to the thing, the very aesthetic, the interiors. They do talk about a lot of interiors which has been taken from heritage, our Indian heritage rather, while you go and see some. And we have used bell as an element, which you can see. So it's the very names come as Tanatan. So having that bell giving Indian resemblance to things. And yes, while the name says, and we are into all Indian, right from south to coastal to east to north, we have brought everything down on the platter, and hope people will like it.
This is a newborn baby, Tanatan, and it's going to be like in Juhu. Actually, there's no good Indian restaurant, so we tried to getting the new modern Indian food with the live band and giving the a chances to the newcomers in the music industry.
See, I'll say Bug is not stopping here with Rami. We have laid down success stories from last couple of years, which you have seen, right from reinventing our restaurants and giving them a new name, resemblance, food, hospitality. So yes, we are expanding. Tanatan happens to be a very unique concept which we have brought in front, adding Indian values and Indian food. Then we are on an urge of expanding as well. So Bombay Adda is going up in places like Bangalore, like Jaipur, like New Delhi. And yes, we are also inventing new projects like Ada Republic, which will be launching very soon. So this is not the end, because the expansion program is all on. And we are signing properties as well. While Rami started with Indian in the region, they started with 6-7 properties. As of now, there are 14 in numbers, which is like we are almost covering most of the Indian regions, states rather. We are already there in New Delhi, which will be launching in 2018. We are launching a project in Gujarat, which is maybe again 2018. Bangalore, we have recently opened a new property, and there also we are taking a project which is R Adda. We are taking its Mirchi there, as in restaurants are concerned, the F&B is concerned. And New Delhi, we are planning to launch Bombay Adda soon, along with the Tanatan there as well.
You want to ask something on camera, then you can do that. Yeah? Huh? Pucho? Rolling? Well, I'm here because of Shweta and Sanaya. They are family, and I've been tasting their various kinds of cuisine for many years, and I'm very happy that they formed this partnership with Rami Guestline, and all the best to them for their future endeavors and with this partnership. Well, here's to Tanatan Tan.
I think I'm very excited. I'm really looking forward to it, because this is a place where we used to come earlier. I mean, Rami Guestline, the hotel, we used to come here, the pub, Rock Bottom. So now coming back here, I think there's a new and exciting reason to come. I'm really looking forward to it. After a long time, I have come out with my husband for such a beautiful and happening evening. And I'm very excited for it. All the very best to the team. Thank you.
Chalo. How much more visual will you take? You will keep scanning up and down. Hello. Hello, hello. मुझे इतना ही लगता है कि जब स्पेशली ऐसा होता है, कई बार मैं रेस्टोरेंट्स जाती भी हूँ और अच्छे खाना जो भी होता है खाती हूँ, बट इट डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट क्यूजीन I'm told this is Indian cuisine and it's beautifully done. I'm waiting to see it, and it's all inspired by, you know, heritage and the bronze. And I think the reason is that I want to do this and I want to go inside and see exactly what's happening. और अच्छा लगता है, खाना भी taste करूँगी so that I can keep coming back here again. And it feels good. Yeah, there are nice restaurants in Bombay आजकल, and I'm sure this is going to be one of them for sure.
And जब रेस्टोरेंट का नाम इतना ब्यूटीफुल हो या फिर हम कहें कि फनी हो,
टनाटन टन आई थिंक टंग ट्विस्टर है, लोग याद भी रखते हैं. हमारे फिल्मों में आप ऐसे बीट्स सुनते हैं, एंड आई थिंक इट्स क्वाइट रिदमिक इन इट्स ओन सेल्फ. या
एंड अटायर के बारे में अगर आप हमें कुछ बता सकें, आर यू वेयरिंग टुनाइट एंड
well, I'm wearing my own inspired collection today, and that's what I've started doing off late, because I think kai baar while you are being creative yourself, it's best to do your own thing. But inspiration is the theme is the party theme, and with keeping in mind the night, and keeping in mind also the fact that it's all about being yourself. Yes. Okay. Thank you too.
जगह देखी नहीं अभी तक. What do you want me to say? अभी मैं गया नहीं ऊपर.
कॉन्सेप्ट अलग है, नाम अलग है, क्या कहना चाहिए? यूनिक नाम है टनाटन.
यूनिक तो है, टन टनाटन टन टन टारा है, टनाटन तो है, बट इट्स नाइस. आई हैव सीन द इनवाइट, इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड श्वेता, she's curated the menu, so I'm very excited to see what she's brought on the menu. So let me see it. एक बार वापस आ जाऊँ, then I can talk more about it. Yeah, thank you.
See, नाम ने ही खुश कर दिया. The name itself is sounding so good, टनाटन. So as it is, I'm already in a very party and high mood. Saturday night है. I wish all the very best to Nihit and team. अभी मुझे अंदर जाना बाकी है, but जितना मैं feedback सुन रही हूँ लोगों से, that it's all about food and it's got a very vintage setup. So I wish them all the very best, and may टनाटन की chain ऐसे ही बॉम्बे में और all over India खुलती रहे. All the best to everybody. Well, अभी हम YouTube पे देख रहे थे, 2 million प्लस व्यूज़ हो गए हैं. उसके बारे में तो क्या बोलूँ मैं. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी. जब गाना बन रहा था तो हमने ऑब्वियसली, गाना आप सुनते हैं तो आपको एक क्लिक होता है दैट सॉन्ग हैज़ सम पोटेंशियल इन इट. सो इसीलिए हमने वो सॉन्ग पिक किया, एंड गाया भी मैंने है इस बार फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. सो फीडबैक्स बहुत अच्छे आ रहे हैं, लोगों का प्यार मिल रहा है. सो आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब साथ में खड़े हैं, हु मेड द सॉन्ग एंड हु मेड इट हैपन, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ हिज विजन एंड क्रिएटिविटी आज गाना इतना सक्सेसफुल हुआ है. 5 दिन रिलीज़ हुए हैं, वी हैव क्रॉस्ड 2 million.
Tanaatan is Tanaatan, and we are here today to welcome Tanaatan to this our family, the celebs family or the actors family. And I think the Indian food is very good here. And बार तो हमेशा actors को अच्छी लगती है.
मुझे यहाँ की बार देखनी है कि कितनी बार आ सकते हैं यहाँ.
और आज
बार जाने वाला है वहाँ पर.
और आज राकेश और सुनैना की wedding anniversary भी है. So I think it's a great occasion. We'll be meeting all our friends, and happy anniversary both you guys from all of us. And it's a great day that this place is also opening, so we'll enjoy.
Wish you guys all the best. टनाटन चलो यार.
All the best.
अभी हम
The ideal song for टनाटन is टन टना टन 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 थारा. किसके बारे में? प्लेस के बारे में. अच्छा, ड्रेस. Oh, thank you so much. So normally you all see me in gowns and dresses. So today I'm like in these pants and a jacket क्योंकि winter आ रहा है. So let's enjoy the good, cool, nice, chilled out weather. So that's how it is.
What would you like to say for Tanaatan? It's a fine dine, open in June with live band.
It's very fantastic thing nowadays. All the new pubs and lounges are opening, and it's very good for. I'm sure it's good for everyone, but हम actors के लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छा होता है because nearby होता है. After shooting, you can come and de-stress yourself. And this is a very nice concept. Live band in Mumbai always works, and this place is very centrally located. I've had a lot of parties here, so now one more place for me to party here. So all the best to entire team, and good luck to all of you.